Hi everyone, I'm Jackie Ray. I'm the librarian here at Blue Mountain Community College. We may have met, but just in case we haven't, it's nice to meet you. For the online curriculum that is being presented this summer and I believe fall, some of the resources that you might want to tap into and embed in your course are resources from our library databases. We have streaming media, we have articles, we have ebook chapters. We just have a ton of content that you can use to either supplement the course material you already have, or I've known faculty to build their whole course around using just library resources. So we have a ton. I'm going to have tutorials, as you saw on this Canvas page, to outline how you would utilize each of those. But I wanted to have this quick introductory video both to me and also to our library homepage, a quick overview. And also, I know there's probably a lot of you who may not have a library card, either because you're new, you never come to Pendleton, you're an adjunct faculty member, whatever reason. First thing I'm going to say is you don't have to come to Pendleton to get a library card. If you are one of our faculty who teaches remotely, you have access to all these resources, and I can get you a library account just completely online. So don't feel like you're lost out without library help. We're here to help. So where we'll want to start is the library homepage here. And you get here, you just start at the college homepage, Blue Mountain Community College. There is a link to the library right here at the top. If you click there, it'll get you to this screen. We're actually redesigning our library website over the summer, but throughout the summer it should look like this. If you do need a card, you would just start here under Services and Support. And if you're new, you would just go ahead and click New. If you are a faculty member who has been here for a while, we do try to catch all of you, but if you run into an access issue, your account may expire. We expire accounts technically every year because we have to, because we're contractual agreements with vendors, and then we just restart them. So in a nutshell, you have to just fill out the form, and within one business day, give us a business day, we'll get back to you with the library card number. So, and then if you want an actual physical card, you will have to just contact us and we'll mail you one. But from the college homepage, a couple other quick things. I do have some research guides, always developing. So if you teach in one of these areas, you might want to click there, see what we have for you that's kind of curated for your subject area. And I can easily make more. No problem, just give me a call. Back to our library page, where we're going to spend our time today, and this is where the tutorials will take you, is to our library databases. I won't point these out now, but where you'll see in the next few tutorials, we're going to go directly to covering how to embed links from our streaming media databases. I'll take you through our top library databases and show you how to link to content from those. This is really helpful for a couple reasons. One is really truly connecting students to these library resources just within your course content starts to alleviate the stress and anxiety they have when they suddenly have, a research paper that they need to do for your course. It already kind of puts them maybe in a familiar environment. It might shock a lot of people that students have tremendous library anxiety, and not only with the library, but just doing research in general. So anything we can kind of bridge and make familiar some of these, things that might seem scary as soon as possible, of course, increases their success. And in fact, these videos, if you were teaching online, I make videos all the time. So if you want me to have a video made specifically for your class, let me know. We can put that in Canvas too. The other thing is that when you link to these resources, you are actually in compliance with copyright law. Yay! When you provide a resource more tangibly, you do run the risk of going against the fair use provision of copyright law. When you use permalinks, in a sense you're not supplying it, you're just linking to the resource, which makes it in general interpretation copyright compliant. So you're legit. So that's another benefit to permalinking. Student familiarity, access to a ton of content that might be underutilized, maybe you didn't know we had, and then also, of course, the copyright bit. So again, this is just an introductory video. Please feel free to contact me at any time. I should point out, here's how to contact me. Just from that library homepage, there's my email, there's my phone. So anyway, yes, stay tuned for the next videos. Thanks.